A warm welcome to everyone. We are final year student of ECE department from Tech Multitech Dr. Rangarajan, Dr. Sakunthala Engineering College. We thank our principal sir and our head of the department Prabhu sir and our project coordinator Mohammed Abbas sir and our project guide Binzi Ruban sir and our teammates are Balaji, Damodharan and myself Chanakya. We have done the project in robotics domain, that is smart robotic animal repellent system. In this video, let's see our project in detail. The main objective of our project is to provide a solution for an efficient and scalable and humane system for protecting farmlands and reducing crop damage and labor costs while maintaining sustainability. In this project, we have implemented a YOLO V8 model on Raspberry Pi with USB camera for detecting animals and also activating a motorized chase to repel them using a ultrasonic sound. In this project, we use non-lethal repellent technology, that is by using ultrasonic frequency in the range of 16,000 Hz to 23,000 Hz at 130 decibel which is emitted through a Bluetooth connected speaker to determine animal without causing harm to the animals. To detect the data of a cloud server for remote monitoring and send GPS based alerts to farmers, which is done by Telio API for timely intervention using the IoT and cloud integration. Now, let's see the existing system of our project. First of all, we use manual animal deterrence. In this, farmers traditionally rely on physical barriers such as fence and carcass, which can be seen in village areas to prevent animal intrusion, which can be a labor intensive and often inefficient against determined wildlife because of the harm of the animal. Next one is human monitoring. Current methods often involve continuous human oversight, require farmers to patrol their field regularly, which increases their time and may not provide immediate response to the animal threats. Now, let's see proposed work of our project. Real-time animal detection and repellent. This system uses a YOLO V8 model on Raspberry Pi to detect animals through USB camera. It also helps the robot for movement and repellent the animal by using the ultrasonic emission. The next step is IoT based monitoring and alerts. Detected data is sent to the cloud server for real time monitoring, and GPS location alerts are delivered to farmers using the Telio API for prompt action, and immediate action will be taken by this method. Now let's see the hardware explanation of our project. First of all, we see the Raspberry Pi 4. It is a main controller and act as the brain of our system. It processes sensor data, controls the motor and activates the repellent mechanism. It also connects with the camera to analyze images and detect animals. Next, we gonna see about the camera module. This is the camera module which captures live images and videos. It helps in detecting the animals by analyzing movements and patterns. Features of camera module: can detect animal in real time, works with machine learning for advanced detection, provides live video feed for remote monitoring. Next, we gonna see about a robotic chase. The entire system is mounted on a robotic chase which allows it to move forward or away from animals, adjusting its position for better effectiveness. Next, we gonna see about L298N motor driver. The L298 motor driver controls the movement of the robotic chase. It takes the signal from the Raspberry Pi and powers the motor to move forward, backward, or right. The features of L298 motor driver are: it drives two DC motors and it controls speed and direction of movement, and it works efficiently with Raspberry Pi. Now, let's see the project demonstration. First, we provide power to the controller which activates the robotic chassis. The chassis is driven by the L293D motor driver that controls the movement of the wheels. Next, we supply the power to the Raspberry Pi using the power bank, ensuring that system runs independently. Next, remote control and connectivity. The robotic chase is connected through a Adafruit IO, a cloud-based platform that allows remote monitoring and control. We use PUTTY software to establish a terminal connection to the Raspberry Pi. With the help of a real VNC viewer, we can remotely access the Raspberry Pi's desktop and upload the required code to it. Next, animal detection and repellant mechanism. Once the code is uploaded, the camera module attached to the Raspberry Pi start detecting the animal in the field of view. If an animal is detected, the system displays the detection on the screen simultaneously. A high frequency sound of around 13 kHz is produced to scare the animal away. Next of all, we see location tracking and alerts. The system also captures the longitude and latitude coordinates of the detected animal. This information is sent to the user or relevant authority to take further action if needed. Now, let's see the advantage of our project. In this project, no animal is harmed, so it is non-harmful deterrent. It reduces the man effect. The YOLO V8 robotic chase is scalability and adaptability. It is environmental friendly because there is no usage of fuels, only it runs through the battery, and the cost is saved because it is an one time investment. And customizable responsible, we can customize our response according to our needs, and it is 24/7 operation. It can run anytime until the power ends. It is mostly used because of the usage of automation and intelligence has been used in this project. Now, let's see the conclusion. The robotic animal repellent solution represent a significant advancement in agriculture technology by combining IoT and AI to address the persistent challenge of animal interaction on an agriculture field. By leveraging the power of YOLO V8 model for real-time animal detection, the system not only enhances the efficiency of repelling animals, but also it also minimizes the potential crop damage and the livestock losses. The integration of a motorized robotic chase allows for dynamic position, ensuring that the repelling effects are optimized based on the specific location. The incorporation of the IoT connectivity and the TILO API enhance the system functionality by enabling the real-time updates and instant notification to the farmers, allowing them to respond proactively to the animal threats.